Foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today I'm suspecting YouTube is trying to settle the jollof war with this jollof love campaign. So while we unbox this beautiful box from YouTube, join me and let's make the most delicious jollof rice with beef sauce. So in our saucepan, we poured in our oil. We then added some onion slices. So today's recipe, we are not going to measure anything. We are just going to be pouring our ingredients until our ancestors say it's okay. So we then added blended garlic, ginger and onion. We are celebrating jollof love, so tell us in the comments how you love your jollof rice. Moving on, we added some curry powder. We then added some bay leaves. We also added some all-purpose seasoning. Guys, this is not an ad, but if you have never tried Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, then you're really missing out, because this jollof mix makes cooking jollof super fast and easy. It has tomato, pepper, onion and garlic all blended in one, and the quantity of pepper is just how I love it. But if you are the type who don't like spice, then please add some blended tomatoes, okay, so that it will tone down the pepper because it's really spicy. And then we don't want anything to go away, so we had to pour in some water to rinse out all the leftover in the sachet. And then we poured it into our stew and we kept stirring. We then added some salt, and today, as I told you earlier, we are pouring until our ancestors say it's okay, but be careful with the salt, okay? Our stew is really going well, and now it's time to wash our rice. So we rinsed out our rice and added it to our stew. I noticed we've been doing a lot of stirring, but well, if you don't stir, your stew is going to burn or your jollof will burn, and we don't want that. So you keep stirring until all the rice marry together with our jollof stew. And I like to add hot water to my rice when I'm cooking jollof, as I noticed this makes the cooking process really fast, okay? And then you stir so there won't be any lumps. Once everything is mixed together, you taste for salt, and I realized I needed a little more, so I added. Now we covered it and lowered our heat for our jollof to take its time to cook, and just look at how colorful and yummy this looks. Our jollof is ready now, but I love to add some form of vegetable to my jollof, so I added some frozen peas, and this also elevates the taste, okay? Once I mix it together, then I turn off the heat so our frozen peas doesn't look mushy, okay? In our jollof love box, we had some shredded beef, so I decided to make beef sauce with it. I added some onion powder, garlic, ginger and aniseed powder to it, and then I also added some salt and mixed everything together and set it aside. In our frying pan, we added about a tablespoon of oil, added our marinated shredded beef, and then we stir fried it until our beef released its own juice. I'm not gonna lie, the aroma in this kitchen is heavenly. So let's add some heat. This is totally optional though, but I like to add some roughly chopped green habanero pepper and garlic to my beef sauce, okay? And then you stir. And these are our vegetables we are using today. I added some cucumbers, some carrots, and bell peppers and onion. You can use any vegetable that works for you. We then added some dark soy sauce and oyster sauce. Now, dark soy sauce and oyster sauce has a bit of salt. So far, apart from the salt we added to our beef while marinating, we haven't added any salt yet. So once you mix everything together, you then add your corn flour with water to get some sauce on your beef sauce, okay? And then also this also helps to thicken up your sauce. Now the quantity of water depends on you, how much sauce you want on your beef sauce, okay? And then at this point, once you stir everything together, you can taste for salt, and then if you need any more, you then add it. Just look at how this is going. So yummy and delicious. You really need to try this at home, and I promise you, you're gonna love it. Now, as our beef sauce is almost ready, I'm eager to eat my food, but for now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, you know what to do. Join our lovely family. We share nice and simple recipes you could try at home. Join the family by hitting the subscription button. It's totally free. And don't forget to like, comment, and share if you love this recipe. And let us know how you love your jollof. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.